In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in a free Coursera course so you can start learning without spending a dime. First, log into your Coursera account and go to your dashboard. At the top, you'll see the Explore menu. Click it and scroll down until you find Browse Free Courses. This will take you to a page full of courses that you can access completely free. Take a moment to browse through the options. You can filter by subject or institution to find exactly what interests you. Once you spot a course, click on its title to see all the details, syllabus, description, and student reviews. This will help you decide if it's right for you. When you're ready to enroll, look for the Audit the Course button or the option to enroll for free without a certificate. Clicking this adds the course to your dashboard and you can start learning right away. Auditing gives you full access to the course materials even if you don't receive a certificate. And that's it. With these steps, you can explore new skills, deepen your knowledge, and make the most of Coursera's free offerings. Happy learning, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.